What's up, people? Yeah, I'm eating breakfast of champions: turkey, bacon, cheese, wheat bread. But this is what the house looked like now. I remember y'all. I was in here putting the panther in there, putting the pink in the wall. Look at that. Walls is right up in here. Walk back here. Walls is right. The whole garage is right now. That was a. Remember there was a hole in the ceiling. No more hole. No more hole. There was a hole right there. I remember I was standing up there looking down through that. Um, Looking here. Now I look at the floors. That's the bed. Look at the floors. Floors immaculate. Back door. Floors immaculate. If you want to really see the floors, you want to see this room in here. You can't see because they ain't really shined up. Floors done. Um. All right. Well, everything looks everything. All right. So, fellas, ladies, it's gonna look even better when I'm done. It's a dark room, huh? All right, well.